Okay, so I just flushed it through with the last of my Epsom salt water. It's been coming out clean. I did wipe the trough again to see if I can get her like really clean. Set that up. Take the battery here. Give her a couple shakes. That seems to be most of it. When you look at it, yeah, still little bits of residue, but it's coming out better than it did. Quite a bit of colors come out of there. So I think what we'll do is just refill it. Let's see what we can do. So this is my acid in the milk jug right there. And I don't think there was quite enough to fill everywhere. You'll see on this side the high and low marks, but I'll try and do evenly across here because I want a little acid in every cell, so I don't overdo it in one and not enough in another. Okay, so if I look at the front here, yeah, you can see they're all getting some. I'll just try a little more to everybody. Okay, so that's all the acid. Yeah, you can see the levels are different. That one I'm in is quite low. I'll try to that looks kind of up to the line. That too. Sure, certainly doesn't take much volume to make it look like it is full. From what I've heard, you want all the cells to be covered, which I think they are. And this appears to be all full compared to how it was. So yeah, they seem to be all full. And clean. And the battery itself is clean. These caps have a seal, so they're not terribly clean on top, but I can wipe them off after. When I put these on, it does have a port here, so if I charge it and it's gassed up, it should vent right there. But I have a trickle charger, so we'll put that on it, you know, like a 2 amp, leave it overnight, leave it for a good while, and just see if we can get this thing past the 10.7. Somewhere over 12 would be great because I got a lawn tractor that needs a battery. And I also have a quad outside with a weak battery that I'd like to try and fix, and it sits at, you know, close to 12, but then really poor for cold cranking amps, so it's not very useful. These are kind of handy. Some of them you have to pry off, and these ones you can just do with your fingers. So I think these are probably just supposed to be hand tight, but this just lets me give them a little extra. So yeah, there, clean, sealed, and full. And then I will hook it up. We'll let it charge for a day, and I will let you know what I find out. Thanks very much.